HDFC Flexi Cap Fund 25,000 SIP Wealth Plan. What if I told you that 25,000 a month could turn into several crores without chasing risky stocks? Today we'll break down HDFC Flexi Cap Fund's 15-year performance, and I'll show you exactly how much you could have in 10, 15, 20 years, plus a beginner's guide to start your journey today. HDFC Flexi Cap Fund is an equity mutual fund that invests across large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks. The fund manager has complete flexibility to move between them, aiming to capture growth wherever it appears in the market. Over the last 15 years, HDFC Flexi Cap Fund has delivered an impressive since-launch return of around 16.9% per year. To put it simply, if you had invested 1 lakh when it started, it would have grown many times over by now. The fund has navigated market ups and downs, still outperforming many peers. Now let's talk real numbers. If you invest 25,000 every month, here's what could happen over time. Even at a conservative 10%, you nearly double your investment in 10 years. At the fund's historical average of around 16.9%, 25,000 a month could become nearly 5 crore in 20 years. That's the magic of compounding. Total invested just contributions for quick context: if invested for 10 years gives 25,000 times 12 times 10 equals 3 million. Similarly, if invested for 15 years, gives 4,500,000 in total, and 20 years total invested amount is 6 million rupees. Conservative 10% PA returns would have returned 51 lakhs in 10 years, and 1 crore in 15 years, and 1.9 crore in 20 years. Base 16.9% PA returns would have returned 77 lakhs in 10 years, and 2 crore in 15 years, and 4.9 crore in 20 years. Optimistic 20% PA returns would have returned 90 lakhs in 10 years, and 2.7 crore in 15 years, and 7.7 crore in 20 years. At 10%, your 25,000 month roughly doubles the invested amount by approximately 10 years and becomes approximately equals 1.9 crore by 20 years. At approximately 17%, the fund's long-term figure cited above, the power of compounding is dramatic. 25,000 a month can become 4.9 crore in 20 years. How a new investor should start. Practical steps plus mindset. Get basics ready: KYC and docs closing parenthesis, .pan, Aadhaar, if linked, bank details. You'll complete KYC, online, eKYC, most platforms, HDFC, AMC, Zerata, Mafintrail, ET Money, etc. Walk you through it. HDFC's site confirms SIPs are allowed from 100 minimum. Direct plan has lower ongoing expense ratio. No distributor commission gives better long-term returns. If you don't need a distributor, choose direct. Set up an auto debit notch, monthly on a date that suits your cash flow. Treat the SIP like a recurring bill. Automation enforces discipline. You specified 25,000 a month. That's a solid amount for meaningful wealth creation if you can comfortably afford it after emergency savings and essentials. SIP is a medium to long-term tool, 5 years. FlexiCap funds suit a long horizon 10+ years because they can be volatile short-term. Even if you pick HDFC FlexiCap as core equity exposure, think about allocation. For example, 60 to 75% equities, 25 to 40% debt, liquid depending on age, goals, and risk tolerance. Rebalance annually or when allocations drift meaningfully. Quarterly to annual reviews are fine. Don't switch funds on short-term underperformance unless the fund's strategy or management has materially changed. Link SIPs to goals: home, kids, retirement. Visualizing purpose helps you stay through volatility. Small, regular actions plus time equals big outcomes. See projections above. Every SIP you make is a brick in your financial future. The earlier you start, the bigger your wealth can grow. Think goals, not just numbers. Your dream home, your children's education, or a stress-free retirement. The market rewards patience. That's your HDFC FlexiCap Fund SIP blueprint. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to start their investment journey today. Small steps, big future. Your 25,000 salary can create financial freedom if you stay disciplined. Check out more awesome videos in the playlist and don't forget to like and subscribe.